Abusian layer wa Africa nyum bi wa ha ye be checking it out just a nyum no African vibe bi a and a video of nyum no interesting enough say it will make your day. Nyum no is from the artist KK Amponsa. Nyum ne title your Sounds of Africa. Let the reaction begin. Intro.
What up? Get boy sound. Alongside of our spirit. I would hear me.
Abusian one honest question be so. Baba spirit. The actual voice no sa no kasa because anytime be a be a sa no kasa. Sa no kasa in real life anase and a branded talk for the brand and keke. Here obi mami won comment section na say please. Baba spirit no my target. We are saying could be mumu adi ekura o. Nka wona na. Wo de target practice dey say. Obi ti say capito dia. Ka fine. What you say?
Do you hear the sounds of Africa, baby? Do you hear?
Senka Baba spirit goalkeeper ma Black Stars ya abusia nkatete India for 99 bi omo share no abusia nke besi repeat because so hwe na wasankasa.
Do you hear the sounds of Africa? Oh yeah. Do you hear? Yeah. Make we dance now. Dear sir now. To the music. Yes, now, oh my answer now, to the music, yeah, all on the floor.
Abusia se mu efo yere, right? Lady no up to now, still now, one ma efo akaba from one.
Why you dey play me, darling?
Dad, what your text message you saw? Tiny.
1 hour later.
I don't wanna do this no more.
Abusia se mu ko mu kotodwa ni ma ya mo nkan efo na ne nsemfu a odi yenti no amana kaba from wo.
Give me some more till you get so all on the floor. Give me some more till you get so.
Yes, near all palm woman, or yam mere ya, who see den jai wa home. Who not just say, ye goose wow, who go who to one, why you confused. What you say, so who 20 why you confused? What do you blame no? Because Obien him say,
that's what ye, that's what ye are fine, that's what my Sepene Sapo are fine. Who are trying found no when you mutant time, who are trying, that's what ye are mine.
Obien him say, what ye, tax is very important, Yankasa. This is a Baba spirit, ama mechene wa ha, onchini biem.
Till you get so on the floor.
Akaida.
Give me some more.
I don't know.
Say me madie, udwin binu ho kura wanti ase. Na nkahwe engine ya ugina hu. Brother, ehwe engine turum dem a ejina hu. Eya size ya. Ade wey. Yeah. Pewusu no size ote. We ubeye na lady ya chod wo kwa wura dem na waye elubre. Wani sube. Ekoye dim.
Do you get so?
Hey DJ, let the music flow. Say what you for hard no my slow. I found say would you want to do? Hey, boy, say you do.
Debi o nti ne Baba Spirit ye no. Eno no ze rap ni bia na. Ene Ghana rappers ya dozo pa o. But at least ni de ne ko nanim chen Ghana artist of the year. Abusia, whoever this guy is, no, you way a criminal offense. Obi loco no, answer na de action.
Hi, body bro. Why ya bro?
Nanka wo dikuro. Nyankopon bo oba wiase. Ade odi hye won nsa se beye ni ade yanka da ukon dwotai nka bebo dwotai. Wan fa tonga nka talent ho. Odikuro ba bia na wadi afani. Wa hu wiase. Odikuro nso be hye.
Obra na yese wuro kawuro. Ba kaida na se hafumo. Seko na se azonto.
Na bra nti ade a wo ankasa wo nuru so no. Wa wuntime nwene wo hunhu se nya wo size. Ubeye na wotoapa na afede osisi abebo fom na osisi asai. Oti ase. Guy we nso no so hia obi nim sticker ni bi.
Call it that calypso.
Make we dance now, dear sir, now to the music, dear sir, now, oh my sir, now to the music,
Hey, Baba Spirit timesum. That the same pan na di ko boni dream. Na boni bengwa.
all on the floor.
Akaida.
Give me some more
Azonto.
till you get so. Oh, all on the floor.
Akaida.
Give me some more
Azonto.
till you get so. Yeah.
Straight from Africa, Ghana. Yeah. Get your voice out.
Do you hear the sounds of Africa, baby? Do you hear?
Abusia nyum ne nya bar se wote ai wasatete African vibe no be to it wote ase. E na wo video na at least omo represent African culture no. Dresses, kukori ne akeka hu ni bi wo ma che se e ma ofili African. So the sounds of Africa no also represent African stuff e wo ni video no. And on top of it all no, the comedy aspect of it no, esen put video no in the right good place because oh shekura at least you get some laugh from it. But near me man feeling yes, a time Baba Spirit father the same. I didn't tell one for more anything. Because ultimate for papa and Musa and target practice. Huni. What I say.
Do you hear the sounds of Africa? Oh yeah. Do you hear?
Asia, Australia.
Do you hear the sounds of Africa, baby? Do you hear?
North by South America. This is from Africa. Ghana, Taifa. KK Poisa. Alongside Baba Spirit. Yeah. Correct. Yeah. Where you? Yeah. Correct.
Sister, we were near Bia Ankasa. Odi kure fucking Ankasa. Untimi green shaba chisa. Ade ukaso yo sono. Efia, so lebra mi shewechi. No? Okay.
Yeah.
Abusia video ne nya bad. E entertainment value all right. O share bebo wani age bebo asre nyom no so bemu afili kakra. Obviously no not a high end music video even if say na we kuras no still na compete more high end but that is not the goal here what I say. But it has been a while since me who outro credits of music video a rolly. What do you hear?
I didn't want to eat. I heard that. I didn't want to eat. I heard that someone kite. I was a seas away. I see. I'm gonna be so. Is that fair? I didn't want to eat. I didn't want to. Hey, not.
At least someone added some comedy to the outro credits from Baba Spirit. Ntinema Philip Ball say Either way, Meliki full video no YouTube video description as Please, onya hweye akona ko checking it out. Ne video is sponsored by TapTapSend. TapTapSend your app bi abusia. Ubetim dia send this car kuma abusia for Ghana. So Europe countries ya be bubo ya. Belgium, Netherlands, Spain, Italy, UK, France, and Germany. So what country you move bia abusia betima use TapTapSend and they send this car through mobile money. Akwa kuma abusia for Ghana, not just Ghana, but Nigeria, Cote d'Ivoire, African countries in the America. Ndina busia a very easy convenient app wa obi abetimi use bi. No so ya de so kwa download app na two phones so either iOS or say Android o. Now for the way use now I start to send this car kuma busia for. Ya a couple of live videos ya try say app ni adwuma flawless ya adwuma easily. No one is what started busia use is that simple. App no so many benefits. But when it says I will send this car kuma man for Ghana. No transaction fee. We send €1,000, we see €1,000. No one said €1,000 ni nyinako. Or mon charge any cent kora. And a second conversion rate, exchange rate of even say euro to cedi no. Or mon so mo de no wasora. Sika bi abese ndi bia no. At least you get a bochi for price if you know what they are saying. Ndi abusia so person say this ka mo busia for Ghana nko through mobile money. Then koko download. Wo YouTube video description as one. Or mo link a bit ma click so koko download no be wo ho. Subscribe to your YouTube channel and click on so say new video be baby ano abusia. Bye now saka. Till we meet again abusia. Adios.
I know ya me bro, now oh my bro. I got places so mama like I want to go. Yes, you feel what brother, now oh my bro. I got so much on my mind, God, I want to blow. I got so much on my mind, God, I want to blow. Say I got so much on my mind, Lord, I want to blow.